Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Lisa Macrame, and in today's tutorial we are going to making this beautiful sun keychain. And let's get started with this tutorial today. So for the materials, I'm using these three colors here. This is for the base, this is for the side part, and this is for the eyes. And besides that, we are using a pair of scissors and a crochet hook size 4mm, and a needle to sew the cutouts, and some polyfiber fill. So let's get started with this tutorial today. So for the first part, we are using this yellow yarn, and let's make a magic ring. And I make my magic ring like this way. You can make whatever method you use for making your own magic ring. So now we are going to make 6 single crochet in this ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 single crochet. 6 single crochet. Now we are going to pull this little yarn. Now we are going to insert the hook in this first chain and make a slip knot. Let's pull this little yarn again, and let's make the chain 1, and again insert your crochet hook in the same space and make a single crochet. And from the next, let's make 2 single crochet in each space. 2 single crochet in the same space. Let's do it all the way around here. So after making the single crochet, now in the second row we are going to make 1 single crochet in one space, and in the next space we are going to make 2 single crochet in the same space. Now let's make again 1 single crochet, then let's make 2 single crochet on the next space. Let's repeat this process all the way around here. So after making it all the way around, now on the third row, what we are going to do is going to make a single crochet, 1 single crochet in one time in one space, and again 1 single crochet. And in the next chain we are going to make 2 single crochet. So for the third row, it's going to be 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. So here we have 2 single crochet. Now in the next 2 we are going to make just 1 single crochet in each space. Then we are going to make 2 single crochet on the same space. Then again 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Let's repeat the same process all the way around here. So this is how it looks like, and with the same method, let's make 1 more round here. Means the fourth row we are going to make with the same method of 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Let's repeat this process all the way around for 1 more time. So after make it all the way around, we are here at this point, and in the last stitch we are going to do a slip knot like this, and I'm going to cut the extra yarn. After cutting the extra yarn, let's pull it. Now again pull it from the back side. So here we have this round shape patch. Now we are going to tie 2 knots in the back, just taking these 2 pieces. Let's make 1 more patch like this for making the sun. We will be needing 1 more patch like this. After making the 2 patches, the same size we have here, Now we are using this needle here and going to use this black yarn for the eyes. And now let's tie some knots in the end. Now we are using this patch here and going to insert it here. So here we have the eyes done. Let's tie knots in the back here. I'm going to cut the extra yarn here. Now I'm going to take this one, put the back side like this. Okay. Now we are starting from here on the top of this eyes. Sorry, for the doing the flowery part for the sun, I'm using this 3.5mm crochet hook to look more sharp. Now we are going to insert this hook on this chain, and now we are going to insert this part as well, and going to insert the hook in this chain. Means both the chain we are using, remember. And let's take this yarn here and pull it out like this. Now let's make chain 1 and chain 2. Now yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the same space, and let's make a double crochet. Again yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the next chain. Remember, insert both the patches you have and then make a double crochet. Now let's make the chain 1 and insert your crochet hook here, and then pull it out. Now again yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the next chain and pull out from all the 3 loops, and let's make chain 2 and insert your crochet hook in the same space. So this we have here. Now we are going to insert the hook in the next chain, both the patches I'm using, and let's make a slip knot like this, and then make chain 2. After making the chain 2, now let's make double crochet on the same space. I'm inserting my crochet hook and make a double crochet. Now yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the next chain, both the patches, and then make a single crochet, then chain 1. Now insert your crochet hook in this area and pull it out. Now let's make a crochet, then yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space and pull out from all the 3 loops, and let's make chain 2, insert your crochet hook in the same space, and let's make, so here we have this 2, and now let's make this all we reach here at this point. So after making all the way around, now we have this gap between this 2. Now we are using some polyfiber fill to fill up our sun. Now let's put inside. So after inserting the polyfiber fill, now again we're going to make the sun rays one by one. Chain 2, yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the same space and make a double crochet, then again yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the next chain, then make double crochet, then chain 1. Now let's insert the crochet hook here and pull out, then again make slip knot, then yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the same space and make half double crochet, then chain 2. So after making the last one, it's complete. Now we are going to cut it. Now let's pull it. This is the last slip knot we make, and now we are going to insert your crochet hook in from the back side and pull it out from here, and now let's put both the yarn inside. After putting it inside, now let's insert the, and now after inserting, now we are going to do is again taking this needle here now let's tie 2 knots. So here we have, and this is a keychain look like, and now we are going to insert this yarns again to make it disappear. How do we disappear? We are going to directly insert it like here, pull out from here, and then cut the extra yarn, put it inside. Let's do the same with the other. So this is the complete keychain, the sun keychain, how it looks like. This is the back side and this is the front. And I hope you guys love this tutorial, and if you make this sun, do tag me on your Instagram. And so I hope everyone loves this tutorial today, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share, and see you on the next tutorial. And if you have queries and questions regarding this tutorial, or if you want to see any other tutorial, do comment in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment and share. So see you on the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and be safe.